Hey babes, hey, your girl is back. Yes, your girl is back with another video. How y'all doing? Okay, hopefully everybody is doing well. Okay, your girl is doing really good. It's been a minute since I've been over here. I did film a video a few weeks ago. I was having a sale for Goluckycharmz and I shot the video for YouTube, edited and everything, forgot to put it up, and then I had announced it on my Instagram, and then the sale went amazing, but then I was like, dang, you forgot to upload your YouTube video. So I'm truly sorry. A lot of y'all anyway follow me over there, so y'all was able to still indulge and grab y'all some goodies at a really great discount. So thank you if you did participate. And if you're not following me on my social media system, what are you doing? Because I am on Instagram and I am on TikTok. Now for Instagram, I don't have my original page. It was deactivated at almost 14K, which was almost like a month ago, or maybe at this point it's been a month. I don't know. I'm not even worried about it, nor am I counting, nor can even remember exactly what day. I done moved on from it. It is what it is. It hasn't stopped anything. So if you've been looking for me on my regular page and you're like, girl, where you been? If you still put in Goluckycharmz, my backup page will pop up. And it's in the description. So make sure y'all following me on my backup page on IG, which is Goluckycharmz with a Z. Backup page with the underscore at the end. Okay, it still has the Goluckycharmz logo on it, so make sure y'all following me over there. I'm not as active, I'll be honest with y'all, as I used to be, because I can't post a lot of the same stuff that I used to on my other page. If y'all know that page, I had over 1,000 posts. I was real consistent over there. With this page, I'm trying to make sure I'm not posting certain stuff on that page because I don't want to risk getting my page took, because they really never told me what it was. It just said my page was deactivated, something against Instagram policies or whatever the case may be. I have no clue. Okay, all I know is the page is gone. It's probably gonna stay gone, and I done moved on. So if y'all haven't already, make sure, like I said, you follow me on my backup page. It's in the description box, because that's where you'll, when I do post, you'll see what's new. I usually post, if not on my page, in my stories, and y'all know stories only last for 24 hours. So sis, you better get on over there and follow, because that's where it's definitely goes down there in the stories. I don't post as much on my page as I used to. I kind of just stick with the stories, and every so often I post on my page. I still do go live over there as well when I can. So yeah, still follow me over there. But y'all already know, if you need me, you can always send me a DM. I do answer my DMs. Y'all can also send me messages here like y'all always do. Y'all know I always respond when y'all leave me messages over here. I love my babes. I appreciate y'all so much. But don't forget to also follow me on my TikTok, y'all, at Goluckycharmz with a Z on the end. No backup, just regular Goluckycharmz with a Z on my TikTok, because I am about to start going live more often on my TikTok page, because I want to start doing scoops. I don't know about y'all, but I am loving the vibe of the scoops. Everybody's doing the scoops. If you don't know what scoops is, it's basically where you put like mixtures of whatever you sell into buckets, boxes, whatever you choose to do, and then you take a scoop and they can pay for a certain amount of scoops. So maybe you have a $20 scoop, you can have a $25 scoop, or a $30 scoop. You can have a $15 scoop, a $20 scoop, and a $30 scoop, whatever. You make your prices, or you can have one scoop at one price, and then they can buy multiple quantities. So for some pages that I be supporting, they might have a $20 scoop, and if you want three $20 scoops, you just pay for three $20 scoops instead of going up to, oh, I want a $20 scoop, I want a $30 scoop, and a $40 scoop. You could just go ahead on and get three $20 scoops. So I'm trying to figure out the logistics of mine, but it's going down, and I've been gathering everything and starting to prepare. So by September, we will be on TikTok way more often, going live several times throughout the week, doing scoops. We're going to be packing orders on live. I'm also condensing a lot of the faux leathers. Y'all know I have hundreds of faux leathers, and a lot of them have been selling amazingly, so I'm grateful for that. But there was a box that I did not never put up, and I was kind of waiting till the fall come, and then I was going to drop those. However, I'm now going to be putting them in variety packs. So it's almost kind of like scoops. You don't know what you're going to get, okay? But you might want to buy 5 for, let's just say, I don't know if this is going to be the price, don't quote me to, but just say I got 5 faux leather sheets for $15. Then they'll be randomly picked. So you'll be able to like literally just sign like while I'm on live, you'll be able to click the link in the bio or go directly to my website. If you know it says, you'll be able to go directly on there. And while I'm on live, you can pay for what you want. And then I pack your order right then and there while we're on the live. It's going to be so fun. The only gag is you will only be able to do it while I'm on live. So it won't be no options for any of the things that I have while I'm live will not be on the website. The website will be regular when I'm not doing the live sales, if that makes sense. I just feel like it's a fun way to get your audience to save money, but be able to interact with you. And then, like I said, on TikTok, you know, you can vibe and listen to music and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but I really just been putting it off because of how busy I have been. And I'm like, oh my God, that's about to be a lot of work, because now I'm about to have to bottle this up and bag this up and do this. And I'm like, no, you don't. You putting too much into it. Just have fun, and whatever you got that you want to showcase, because scoops change all the time. So you might shop this week and ain't no telling what's in the scoops. Next week you might come and it might be something else in the scoops. You know what I'm saying? So that's the fun about it. You never know. This is something for impulse buyers, basically. This is for people who want to spend the money right then and there. They don't even care what you're selling, as long as it's something that they can use at the discount price that you're offering. So I'm super excited, and I wanted to share with y'all first, because like I said, I'm so behind in videos over here. I just don't know what videos to share anymore. Like, I haven't been making as many Crocs, but the Croc classes are doing good. I actually have a Croc class tonight, so I'm super excited about that. I just did a one-on-one Croc class last week. I did an in-person one-on-one Croc class last week. So if you're in Georgia and you're interested in that, make sure you let me know. I also have people that already signed up for my August 29th class. So business is doing great. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, business is doing great. Like, yeah, I don't have all those followers, but like in reality, we all know followers do not always equal money. I know people that got 20, 30K, and they don't have a lot of sales. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I'm just grateful that with that happening to me, God didn't let me or my business and all my hard work go in vain. So thanks to y'all, all my babes who have been supporting me no matter what. I just want y'all to know that I'm so grateful to y'all. Y'all always over here still liking my videos. Y'all always leaving me comments over here. Y'all always follow me on my Instagram. Like, I am grateful for that, y'all, because that matters to, you know, I ain't gonna even say small business, because I'm just a business owner. I'm not even gonna say a small business, because I don't look at myself as a small business. I'm just a business owner that y'all ran across my page, and y'all fell in love with either me, my personality, or what I'm offering. You know what I'm saying? And y'all follow me to my other platforms. So I'm truly grateful for that. I love YouTube. I just kind of wish I could be more consistent with it, but it's hard to film content, edit content, upload content. It does take more time out of your day. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm here today, and I'm sorry about that last video. Y'all did miss that sale, but that's okay, because if y'all subscribe to my email list, then y'all gonna always know when I'm having a sale anyway. Y'all already know I don't have sales all the time. I'm not one of those companies that feel like I have to always discount my prices. I have my prices affordable to where my babes can shop with me whether I'm having a sale or not. And y'all real ones, because y'all do just that. Okay, so thank y'all. Big ups to my day ones and my newbies. So yeah, business is going amazing, y'all. That's why I really haven't had the time to come on here. And even though I'm not on social media as much as I would love to be, I am working extremely hard behind the scenes. So today, even though I didn't have a lot of time to film this video, because technically I'm supposed to be in there making products, I still was like, it's been too long, girl. Sit down. And technically, it really ain't been too long, because I did film a video a couple weeks ago. I just forgot to upload it, okay? So anyway, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of just come chill with y'all for a minute instead of going live. I know it's the daytime. A lot of people is at work or at school or busy with their own businesses right now. So I was like, okay, don't go live right now. But definitely shoot a video. So I feel like I'm rambling at this point. I hope I got everything out that I wanted to, because it was more or less just like an update video about like what's going on, where I've been, what's the plans, girl, what's up, sis, like show your face. So that's what I'm doing. I ain't gonna keep this video long at all. We're going on 10 minutes right now, and I feel like I told y'all why I haven't been live. I told y'all where I've been, where I'm going, which is more or less on TikTok. So follow both of my TikToks, because on Trulysmoothskintique, I'm live over there a lot more. I barely ever go live on my IG on Trulysmoothskintique, but I'm always live on, I ain't gonna say always, like, girl, like you be live every day. Stop fronting. I ain't live every day on TikTok, but I go live way more on my Trulysmoothskintique TikTok than I do on my Trulysmoothskintique Instagram. So make sure y'all follow me over there if you're into skincare. If you like are looking for something, I'm dropping a new line. Maybe I should tell y'all a little tea while I'm in here. Even though most of y'all be wanting all the Goluckycharmz tea, don't forget about Trulysmoothskintique, y'all. Please don't forget about Trulysmoothskintique. If you like support, then support all the way around. Make sure y'all follow me on my social medias for Trulysmoothskintique, because that's my baby, y'all. And I have opened a whole spa. I have been pushing out these products. I am study formulating products. Right now, what I have coming up is my facial care line. So I'm dropping my turmeric line. I'm also dropping my charcoal. It's all for face. So if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, you might want to check out the turmeric line. If you're dealing with acne, you might want to go ahead and check out the charcoal. And then if you really need like a really good deep cleanser that's going to push out all those impurities out of your skin, you might want to check out the African black soap, which is already one of my fave products, and it's one of my best sellers for face. But I feel like I just wasn't done, and I just like, okay, go back and sit down. What products have you been wanting to make and you haven't been able to make because you was opening up the spa? So it was the face line. Every time I'm on live, somebody be like, do you got anything for face? And I'm like, oh, do I really? I really don't. Like, I have, but I don't, if that makes sense. I always had the African black soap. I have a turmeric bar soap, and I have an oatmeal bar soap for eczema, but I'm changing formulas for those. So my turmeric bar is going to go into cold process soap bar, and I'm going to have a charcoal cold process soap bar and a oatmeal cold process instead of the melt and pour. So I'm upgrading the soap bars, y'all. Yes, and I'm adding to the soap bars. And then what else, y'all? It's a lot. I do a lot, and I have a lot going on. And if you just down with your girl, then just follow me on these journeys so you can be right there with me. Everybody can use some type of skincare products, you know what I'm saying? And you know, if you in the charm business, then of course you want to follow me because I got what you need, sis. Either way I go, I'm your girl, okay? So I just came on here just to update y'all, to just show my face over here, let y'all know I haven't forgotten about you. I know y'all send me messages all the time saying, Lucky, when you gonna drop another video? And I've been wanting to, like I said, and I did, but I didn't upload it. But that was more like just the sale video. But this is why I'm making the video, so y'all can keep in contact with me. If you need something, feel free to leave me comments under my, even the new videos or the old videos, y'all. I'm definitely going to respond. If you need me quicker, go to my DM and send me a DM. I answer questions all day in a DM. If you want to sign up for a class, just sign up for a class. Like, either way I go, I got you. Like, no matter what, your girl got you. Okay? I got you. I love what I do. I love sharing with y'all. I love helping y'all. I love seeing my girls that done found me over here, and they're doing amazing with their businesses. They're constantly growing. Like, some of my girls, y'all already know who y'all are. They're doing their thing, and we keep in contact all the time, and we still bounce ideas off of each other. They still send me their work to this day. They're very appreciative of, you know, the time that I put into them, and I'm very appreciative of them choosing me to help them with their businesses. So if you need me, like I said, your girl is here. Always check the website. Make sure you sign up for my email subscription list, because that's where you get the tea first. You know, you want to be in the know, honey, then sign up for the subscribe to the email list on the website, because when my page went down, I made sure y'all got an email. When I have a sale, I make sure y'all get an email. I don't overwhelm y'all with emails. So when you get an email from Goluckycharmz or Trulysmoothskintique, check them, actually read them, because it's something that's most likely going to benefit you, whether I'm informing you about something or I'm giving you some coins, okay? I'm basically saving you some coins somewhere. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I don't really have nothing to talk about, and I don't want to be on here just blabbing off. I just wanted to let y'all know your girl is okay. My page did get took down, but I'm on my backup page. I've been on my backup page for almost a month now. Everything is going good with me. The sales is still amazing. My babes is still supporting. Y'all rocking with your girl unconditionally. I love y'all so very much. And yes, follow me on TikTok, because I promise you, if you want to see me more on a consistent basis, like at least 3 times a week, I'm trying to do 4, but at least at the minimum 3 times a week between Goluckycharmz and Trulysmoothskintique, then I would definitely suggest you follow me over there. Scoops is coming in September for both companies. So once I get everything organized, I'm still waiting on a few things for both things. The Scoops is going down. So that's a good way for us to hang out, kick it, listen to music, and y'all just, you know, get some goodies on a deal. And if you know somebody that knows somebody, send them, girl. Don't be one of them selfish girls that, I don't want to share her with nobody. I want her all to myself. Don't be that girl, sis. Okay? Share me. Okay? Like, share this video. Like, if you made it 15 minutes in, and I should have said this a long time ago, if you made it this far in the video, sis, go ahead on, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all don't click off. I'm going to put it all through the screen. So y'all know me. I'm going to write all over the screen. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. So even if I didn't say it, you going to see it. You going to read it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I don't even feel like I got to edit this video. I'm going to just be me, put it up. And it is what it is, okay? Check the description box if you need any specific links. But other than that, your girl will be back hopefully soon. And if not, I told y'all where I'm going to be. So don't get mad at me if y'all don't see me over here that often, because y'all know where I'm at. Okay? Okay? All right. Until the next time, babes. Until the next video. Peace.